Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, let me ask you, do you ever get tired of those annoying YouTube ads interrupting your video? You know, the ones that pop up just as you're getting into a good video? If you're tired of them, I've got the perfect solution for you today. Let's dive in. So, here's what you'll need to do. First, go ahead and open YouTube on your browser. Now, before you click on any video, open a new tab and search for the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the main dashboard, type Ads Blocker in the search bar and hit Enter. Choose the first one that shows up in the results and click Add to Chrome. The extension will download and install, and once that's done, click on the extension icon in your browser toolbar and pin the Ads Blocker. This will make it easier for you to keep an eye on it and get an alert if it ever turns off. Now, go back to YouTube, pick any video you want to watch, and hit play. Boom! No more ads, just stress-free video watching. Enjoy uninterrupted content without those pesky ads getting in the way. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.